Hey there, travel enthusiasts. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, you probably love racking up those reward points. But do you know how to turn them into a cozy hotel stay? In this video, we're diving into the simple steps to book hotels using your Chase Sapphire points. It's a game changer for saving money on trips and maximizing your rewards. First off, let's quickly cover what Chase Sapphire points are. These are flexible reward points earned through Chase credit cards like the Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, and they're perfect for travel redemptions. The best part? You can use them directly through the Chase travel portal or transfer them to partner hotels for even better value. To get started, make sure you have your Chase account set up. Log in to the Chase website or app. It's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, head over to the Travel section. Here, you'll find the portal where you can search for hotels worldwide. Enter your destination, dates, and preferences, just like you would on any booking site. Now, when results pop up, look for options that allow you to pay with points. Chase often offers a 1-to-1 value, meaning 1 point equals 1 cent, but keep an eye out for bonus multipliers if you have the Sapphire Reserve card. One tip: always compare the points cost with cash prices to ensure you're getting a good deal. If you prefer more flexibility, consider transferring your points to hotel partners like Hyatt, Marriott, or IHG through Chase's transfer program. This can sometimes yield even greater value, especially for luxury stays. Remember, bookings through the portal might include perks like no foreign transaction fees or travel insurance, depending on your card. Once you've selected your hotel, review the details, confirm with your points, and voila, your reservation is made. It's that easy. Before we wrap up, a quick word of caution. Points values can fluctuate, so book in advance for the best rates. There you have it, folks. With these steps, you'll be jetting off to your dream destination without breaking the bank. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel hacks, and drop your questions in the comments below. Safe travels.